What's good, my people? I'm back again with another one. So I've got the black toe reimagined ones on foot, which I have to say, even just having one done up, I love this shoe already so much. I kept seeing it, so I thought I have to grab it. But I have seen people lace them. I've seen some people lace it with both laces, in and out, in and out. I'm not going to do that because I don't really like red laces. I've seen some people with red laces, some people with black laces. I've done the black laces here, and my voice shouldn't be cracking like that. Ignore that. But I've got a white lace here that I want to try to see how it looks. It is a bit shorter than the other lace, so I really hope this video, I'm not recording it for no reason. So we'll just take the red one out straight away. I haven't even done the review video, but it's alright. And then we'll take out the black lace. Just throw them all to the side. So we're just gonna keep having voice cracks. Blimey. Feed the end of the lace there. End of the lace over there. Grab it in the end. So I love to do. Very easy. Just grab it, pull it, and bam. And then usually it straightens itself up. There we go. So we've got the starting done. Then we're just gonna go next lace under, sorted, underneath again. Then now we're gonna go over and under. I'm doing it a bit quick because I've done so many videos where I've been taking ages and it's just, you know, it's a bit boring to watch. So I'm slightly rushing. Insert filler music. Literally under and over the whole way. Sometimes I'll put it through. I'm not going to do that for the sake of this video. Or they might just be a bit short. No! Yeah, waste of time. Unless I tighten them up a bit. Yeah, I'll make it work. So we'll just pull that a bit. Pull that a bit, pull that a bit. Pull that a bit. So close. Nearly there. And then the good old pull it, tie up the lace. Oh my days, just about long enough. So I'll definitely measure the lace and put the length. There we go. So the white really brings out the shoe a lot. So if you want them a bit like more out there, white lace. If you want it more a bit subtle, black lace. But oh my days, I can't believe how good the white lace looks on these. I might even change it to like a kind of off-white sail lace. But that's really, really nice. Way better than I imagined. But yeah, let me know what you think, people. Do you want the white or the black? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Take care, my people.